What's up everybody, we're back and we're here in my studio. Behind me I have a very affordable backdrop stand. This kit does not come with the backdrop, so ignore the backdrop. It's very ugly anyway, you wouldn't want this. It comes apart in several pieces. It comes with this case, so it's easy to pack up and travel with. It's very lightweight, which in some areas is good and other areas not so good. Where it's good is that it makes it easy to carry. This whole kit is just a few pounds, so easy to travel with, easy to set up, easy to tear down. All of those are good things. The downside is this is not the most heavy duty backdrop stand. It'll handle backdrops just fine, but I wouldn't expect much more out of it. The kit comes with 2 expandable tripod legs and comes with 4 pipes for the crossbar. The 2 pipes with bigger poles go on the end, and you can connect those 2 pipes together, or you have 2 more pipes you can insert in the middle to extend to its full width. With all the pipes together, it reaches about 9.5 feet wide, and in height it can go up to about 6'5", and you can adjust it anywhere in between. And that's the max width and height. You can go anywhere in between as well. The kit also comes with 4 clips, but if you happen to have more clips or clamps lying around, it doesn't hurt. Overall, it's a cool kit and it gets the job done. So if you're looking for a quick and easy and lightweight photo backdrop that's easy to travel with, easy to set up and take down, and you're on a budget, maybe this one is for you.